frequency of orange radiation.
సార్ కలర్ చేంజ్
సార్ ఓన్లీ క్వశ్చన్స్ కోసం అసలు రాస్తున్నా.
ఓకే.
Orange radiation having wavelength of lambda of 6300 angstrom units. How to do, students? Can anyone give me the idea? What are the formulas we need to use? You need to speak now. This is your time. So he is asking lambda given, no? Lambda given 6300 into 10 to the power of minus 8 centimeters, which means 63 into 10 to the power of minus 6 centimeters. What he is asking? He is asking wave number and frequency. We know no wave number means what? Wave number nu bar equal to 1 by lambda. That means 1 by 63 into 10 to the power of minus 6. That means 10 power of 6 by 63 centimeter inverse. Okay, this we can write as which we can write 100 by 63 into 10 to the power of 4 centimeter inverse. So 100 by 63 means how much it will become? 1.5 around. 63 means 37. 37 means 370. 1.5 into 10 to the power of 4 centimeter inverse. And at the same time, he is asking about the frequency. We know no frequency. We know relation C equal to nu lambda. From that one, frequency nu equal to C by lambda, which we can write as C into 1 by lambda, or we can write as C into nu bar. So C value will be 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second, or 3 into 10 to the power of 10 centimeters per second, into 1.5 into 10 to the power of this is rough value I am writing, okay na? That means what? 4.5 into 10 to the power of 14 second inverse. Okay, this is answer. And one more question given. Understood, students? Students, అర్థమవుతుందా? Respond.
Yes, sir.
Next one is question. Calculate number of electrons, protons, neutrons, of Cl minus 1735. Tell me how to calculate. This is what atomic number, no? Students, tell me how many electrons and protons and neutrons are there? Generally, if I'm taking an X, no, so this is Z and A. So Z means what? Atomic number. And A means what? Mass number. Mass number. And the number of neutrons can be written as number of neutrons is equal to A minus Z. Okay. For example, if I'm taking the question is C1735 minus. So atomic number means what? 7. Atomic number means what? Number of protons, no? Therefore number of protons is equal to 7. Sorry, 17. And number of electrons will be how much? If it is uh, ion, generally what we can say, atomic number plus or minus. Now see, this is anion, right? So anion means 1 electron gained. So already 17 electrons are there. 1 electron gained means it will be 18 electrons. And number of neutrons equal to mass number 35 minus atomic number 17. That will be 18. Okay. One more. You calculate for this. One more example I'm giving like this. So bromium 35 and atomic number 80. Tell me how many protons, number of protons, neutrons in this one. Students need to tell, you need to respond. Number of protons, how many?
35, sir.
So number of protons are 35. Number of electrons are
35.
number of electrons also 35. And number of neutrons?
45.
45.
Very good. Okay. Next. So this type of questions easily we can solve, right? These are all previous year questions only from your previous model questions only. Okay. Question is find the exact orbital from the following for which n equal to L and n equal to 4 and L equal to 1. Which orbital it will represent? Tell me, Nana. Students.
4p.
P orbital, sir.
4? 4p or
4p.
4d?
4p, sir.
L equal to 0 means which orbital? S orbital. L equal to 1 means p orbital. L equal to 2 means d orbital, and L equal to 3 means f orbital, no? And he has given n equal to 4 and L equal to 1 means it is represents 4p orbital. This is very, very easy questions. This type of questions don't take too much of time, okay? Question C. The uncertainty in the position of an electron position of an electron moving with velocity of 3 into 10 to the power of 4 centimeters per second. And uncertainty in velocity is 0.02%. Okay, 0.02%. Mass of electron is given Mass of electron is 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 28 grams. Hmm. Tell me how to solve and what can be the answer. Tell me, students, what can be the formula? What is given? Uncertainty into position asking, no? So delta x asking, and delta v is given. How much given? Velocity given is 3 into 10 to the power of 4, and delta v will be uncertainty is 0.02, no? That means 3 into 10 to the power of 4 into 2 by 100. That means 6 into 10 to the power of 2. Okay, 6 into 10 to the power of 2 will be the delta v. Okay, so it is 0.02, no? Sorry. Zero 0.02 by 100. That means 6 into, it will be 6, no? 2 it will cancel, and 206 it will be there, delta v. Okay. Therefore, what we can write? The formula will be delta x into delta v is equal to h by 4 pi m, right? So delta x is equal to h value 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 27 arc per second, and 4 into 3.14. Mass of electron 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 28, and delta v is 6. Okay, so if I'm taking roughly, so it will be 10 to the power of minus 1 means above it will be 10. Make it 6 1 ja 6 1.1. Take it rounding, okay? 4 3 is 12, 12 is 108. That means it will become 2, 3. 3 decimals cancel, no? Let me write like this. So here 3 decimals 6.625, 2 plus 1, 3 decimals cancel. That means 6625 into 6.625 upon 4 into 314 into 6, and it will be minus 27. It will be about 10 power of 1. That means 66250 by 4 into 31.4. How much answer you are getting? How much answer, Anna? Hmm. How much you are getting? Near about how much you are getting, Anna? 9 you are getting, no, around? Hello? Students, are you able to calculate or not? Hmm. Okay, just calculate this. Let me go question. The question is, no two electrons in an atom can have the same set of all 4 quantum numbers. This principle is called, which rule it is?
Pauli's exclusive principle.
Very good. Okay. This rule is what? Polish exclusion principle. Okay. Next one. Hmm. Next question, say. The de Broglie wavelength of a tennis ball. The de Broglie wavelength of a tennis ball of mass 60 grams moving with velocity of 10 meter per second is dash, and given h value is 6.63 into 10 to the power of minus 34 joules second. Hmm. Note down in this problem and tell me the answer. What can be the, what is the formula we need to use? What is the formula?
Lambda equals to h by mv.
So formula is what? Lambda equal to de Broglie wavelength, no? Lambda equal to h by mv. So lambda is asking h value 6.63 into 10 to the power of minus 34 by what is the mass given? Mass is 60 grams, no? So 60 into 10 to the power of minus 3 kg. Okay, this is taken in joules, no? Into velocity how much? 10 meters per second. So this will be 663 into 10 to the power of minus 36 by it will be 6200.6 plus 6 into minus 36 600, no? That means 6 into 10 power of minus 1. That means it will be 110.5 into 10 to the power of minus 35. That means he has given in terms of 1.1 into 1 to no, 10 to the power of minus 33. You can solve, no, students? So next question, solve this. Calculate energy of half mole of photons of a radiation with frequency 3 into 10 to the power of 12 hertz. Mm. Solve the students. How to solve? Students, what is answer? Student, answer, Nana. How to do this? Tell me at least. Hello.
E equal to H nu.
Okay. From that, what we can get? Can I solve? See. Now, generally, what we can say, this is photon frequency given, right? So, E equal to we know H nu, right? Therefore, what we can say, this will become energy of a photon. Energy of a photon. That is 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 34 into 3 into 10 to the power of 12. That means what we can say, 6.625 into 3 means nearly 20. 20 into 10 to the power of minus 34 and 12 means how much run it is?
22.
20, 22. That means nearly 2 into 10 to the power of minus 21. This is energy of photon. Now he is asking energy of half mole, no? So therefore what we can say, half moles means what we can say? Half mole of photon. That will be what? 1 photon energy is how much it is? 2 into 10 to the power of minus 21, no? Into Avogadro number. That will be 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 by 2. This is only half mole, no? Yes or no? That means what we can say, 6.02 into 10 to the power of 2. This is joules energy. Understood how I did? Means 602 joules. Students, have you understood how I did? So energy of 1 photon I calculated. Okay. Energy of 1 photon I calculated, and after that half moles means what? Avogadro number by 2, no?
Yes, sir.
That I did. Okay. You are able to solve this type of questions, no? Or it is completely feel like completely different we are getting. Hello. Students, can you solve this type of questions or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So Next question is calculate the mass of a photon. Mass of a photon if its wavelength is given as if its wavelength is given as given as 0.35 nanometer. Answers is given in kg. That means this has to be converted into meters. Options are given in kg. So expecting answer from you. So if you are responding fastly, we can solve more questions. Student, how to do this? Tell me which formula we supposed to use. Nobody is responding. Which formula we need to use? No response. Should I stop and teach new topic if you are not responding? Students, hello.
Students, Seven, please respond now.
These students are very good students, sir. That's why they are not responding, I think. They would want to trouble the teacher.
I have switched on the microphone also for them. If they want to ask any doubt, they can unmute and they can ask directly. Students, what happened, Anna?
Sir, E is equals to MC square.
Equal to the MC square. What is this from equal to MC square? How to calculate wavelength? From C where you
C
can
by
get
lambda
lambda.
equal to MC square.
C by lambda equal to MC square. So how you can calculate energy? How you can calculate energy? Student, I think everybody knows Telugu, I believe, right?
Lambda
So
equal to H by MC, sir.
lambda equal to H by MC is the apt formula. Okay. So if మీరు కానీ respond అయితేనే, okay, so there will be some benefit of these classes. So you need to respond. Otherwise, if I'm solving in n number of questions also, it doesn't have any sense, doesn't make any sense. Okay. Right. So please respond. Okay, sir, we are not able to know. We don't know. Please tell us how to approach, because nobody knows all those things. Okay. So we are here to learn. So when you want to learn, no, you need to respond. Okay. Because if you are not able to answer, also fine. I don't have any objection. But at least respond, sir. We are able to understand. We are not able to get. For that purpose only, I turned on your microphone. Okay. Because class should not be in one way. Okay, please make it interactive. Right? So if it is one way only, no, so if you need one way route only, if you need, no, I think there is no need of discussing questions, all those things. Straight away I will come and I will say something blah 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 and I will switch off, then close. Okay. So because of this, it doesn't give any output for us. Okay. So because of this, it doesn't give any output for us. Okay. So because of this, it doesn't give any output for us. Okay. So because of this, it doesn't give any output for us. Okay. So because of this, it doesn't give any output for us. Okay. So because of this, it doesn't give any output for us. Okay. So because of this, it doesn't give any output for us. Okay. So because of this, it doesn't give any output for us. Okay. So because of this, it doesn't give any output for us. Okay. So because of this, it doesn't give any output for us. Okay. So because of this, it doesn't give any output for us. Okay. So because of this, it doesn't give any output for us. Okay. So because of this, it doesn't give any output for us. Okay. So because of this, it doesn't give any output for us. Okay. So because of this, it doesn't give any output for us. Okay. So because of this, it doesn't give any output for us. Okay. So because of this, it doesn't give any output for us. Okay. So because of this, it doesn't give any output for us. Okay. So because of this, it doesn't give any output for us. Okay. So because of this, Because as a teacher, I want to know how much you are getting and how much you are not getting. What is your approach? How much time you are taking to solve the question? How much time you are taking to get the formula, to click the formula? Okay, so these all matters for me because we are preparing for objective, no? So in objective examinations, time management only very crucial. Okay, if you are preparing for board, no, I will give you by students do these 2 more questions, do these 4 more questions, do these 8 more questions, and I will ask you people to answer that same question again and again for 10 to 15 times. So automatically it will be stored in your brain. But objective examination, it is not like that, no. Okay, and our motto is with the preparation or with the coaching what we are giving. Okay, so it's name wise EAMCET. So you should not feel any difficulty even if you are appearing for mains also, because even you are equally eligible to attempt mains examinations, right? Right. So we feel that with the coaching what we are giving in the name of EAMCET only, and it is equivalent to mains only. Even sometimes more than mains also we are saying. So our intention is, okay, whatever the coaching we are giving, so you should not feel any difficulty or you should not feel any difference. If you want to write mains also, that can also be get cleared easily. Okay, so for that purpose only I am asking you to respond. Okay, at least please try to understand. And whatever the model of questions we are discussing, no, all similar models are there even in mains examinations also. Okay, anybody is giving mains examinations as well? If anyone is giving from here out of 40 members or 44 members, anybody is willing to give? ఎవరైనా మెయిన్స్ ఎగ్జామ్ ఇవ్వాలనుకుంటున్నారా? ఎవరు ఇస్తున్నారా నాన్న స్టూడెంట్స్?
Yes, sir.
సో అలాంటప్పుడు
Yeah.
ఏంటంటే మీకు ఆ ప్రాబ్లం అనేది ఉండకూడదు అనమాట. సో దానికోసం మీరు రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వాలి. ఓకేనా? సో మీరు రెస్పాన్స్ అయితే నాకు ఇంకా ఎనర్జీ వచ్చుద్ది సాల్వ్ చేయడానికి కానీ, లేదంటే వెరైటీ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ చేయడానికి కానీ. ఓకేనా? సో దట్ మనం థియరీ మీద కాకుండా క్వశ్చన్స్ మీద ఎక్కువగా టైం స్పెండ్ చేయొచ్చు అనమాట. అదవుతుందా? సో థియరీ అనేది ఫాస్ట్గా క్లోజ్ చేసుకొని, సో మనం క్వశ్చన్స్ మీద ఎక్కువ టైంని స్పెండ్ చేయొచ్చు. మనం క్వశ్చన్స్ మీద ఎంత టైం స్పెండ్ చేస్తే అంత బెనిఫిట్ ఉంటుంది మీకు. ఓకే, మా ఇంటెన్షన్ అది కాదు, యాక్చువల్ ఆచార్య ఇంటెన్షన్ అది కాదు అనమాట. మీకు ఓన్లీ థియరీ డిస్క్రిప్షన్ చేసి వదిలేయడం అది ఇంటెన్షన్ కాదు మాది, మా టీమ్ది. ప్లీజ్ ట్రై టు అండర్స్టాండ్. ఓకే, సో ఇప్పుడు మోర్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ చేయాలంటే మీరు ఇంటరాక్ట్ అవ్వాలి టీచర్తో. ఓకే, వెదర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ తెలుగు ఆర్ ఇంగ్లీష్ ఆల్సో, ఇట్స్ నో అబ్జెక్షన్ ఫర్ అస్. యూ నీడ్ టు ఇంటరాక్ట్. ఓకే. So as you said, no, some of you said, sir, we will use E equal to mc square. That must not required. Straight away use lambda equal to h by mv, no. So velocity of light to fix it is, and he has given lambda value is, and here I ask, no, mass is asking in kg. So mass kg means lambda should be in terms of meters. So 0.35 nanometers means 1 nanometer equal to how many meters, nana?
10 power minus 9.
10 power of minus 9. So that will be 0.35 into 10 to the power of minus 9 meters. So lambda, so therefore straight away I am taking mass equal to h value will be 6.625 or 6.62 you can take into 10 to the power of minus 34 joules. So if mass is in kg, h value should be in joules or kgs? Joules, no? Joules means what? Kg meter square per second, no? అంతే కదమ్మా. 1 joule equal to what? 10 to the 1 joule means kg meter square per second, no? Per second, per second inverse, second
Per
only.
second, sir. Second inverse.
So kg, so joule can be written as kg meter square second inverse by mass of electron we will need kg, and lambda value in meter, no, that will be 0.35 into 10 to the power of minus 9 meters, and velocity will be 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second, isn't it? Second inverse, meter square gets cancelled, so answer will be in terms of that. So how much it will be? Calculate చేయండి అని ఎంతవరకు వచ్చేది. ఇట్ విల్ బి 6.6 into రఫ్గా ట్రై చేయండి. బై this we can write as 35 into 10 power of minus 11, no? 35 into 3 minus 11 and 8, that means minus 3. 35 into 3 into 10 to the power of minus 11, 8, no? So minus 3. సో ఎంత ఆన్సర్ అవుతుందో 35 అంటే నియర్లీ 100 అవుతుంది కదా. ఇది 35 into 100 నియర్లీ 100 అవుతుంది. 100 and 10 power of minus 1, సో నియర్లీ 6.6, ఓకే, ఇంటూ 10 to the power of minus 33 kgs నాన్న, నియర్లీ. సో ఇక్కడ ఆప్షన్ కూడా అదే ఉంది, 6.3 into 10 power of minus 33 kgs. అర్థమైందా ఎలా క్యాల్కులేట్ చేస్తున్నాను స్టూడెంట్స్? చెప్పనా మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి?
Yes, sir.
చెప్పనా
Yes,
మళ్ళీ
sir.
ఒకసారి? ఓకేనా?
చెప్పండి సార్.
ఏం లేదు, ఇక్కడ 6.62 ఉంది కదా, దీన్ని 35 ఏం చేసుకున్నాను, 35 into 10 power of minus 11 తీసేసుకున్నా. 35 into 3 అంటే ఎంత అవుతుంది, 115 కదా. 115ని 100 తీసుకున్నాను. సో 100 అంటే ఏమవుతుంది, 100 into 10 power of minus 3 అంటే అరౌండ్ 10 power of minus 1 వస్తుంది. 6.6 10 power of minus 1, 10 power of minus 1, 10 power of minus 34 అంటే 10 power of minus 3, 33. ఇక్కడ ఉండేది 6.6. సో ఇక్కడ ఉండే ఆన్సర్స్ కూడా అంతే ఉందన్నమాట. 6.3 into 10 power of minus 30 అనేది ఆన్సర్, 33 అనేది ఆన్సర్. సో రఫ్ క్యాల్కులేషన్స్ రావాలి మీకు, ఎందుకంటే టైం అనేది వెరీ వెరీ క్రూషియల్ కదా ఇక్కడ మనకి. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ చూడండి. సో calculate the energy associated with the second orbit of La plus and find its radius. La plus and find its radius అంటే రేడియస్ అండ్ ఫార్ములా చెప్పండి, ఎలా చేస్తారో ఫట్ చేయండి. సెకండ్ ఆర్బిట్ రేడియస్ అండ్ అడుగుతున్నాడు మనకి. La plus ఈజ్ వాట్, హైడ్రోజన్ లైక్ ఆటమ్ కదా. ఫర్ హైడ్రోజన్ లైక్ రేడియస్ ఫార్ములా అవుతుందమ్మా, Rn ఈక్వల్ టు ఏం ఫార్ములా అవుతుంది,
0.529 into n square by z.
వెరీ గుడ్, 0.529 into n square by z, angstrom units, right? That will be what, this we can write 0.53 we can write now, into second orbit asking. Second orbit means that will be 2 square by lithium value, how much it is, hydrogen, helium, lithium, atomic number 3. That means 0.53 into 4 by 3. So 3 1 ja 3 13 ja, right? 13 4 ja 52 na, sorry, 13 కదా ఇక్కడ, 1 23 no, 13 7 ja 51. So 0.17 point something, 17.5 around, 18 3 ja 54 no, so 17.178 around. So 0. Let me take 18 into 4. 18 into 4 means 18 4 is 72. Sorry. 18 4 is how much? 7.76 na? $76 angstrom units.
72, sir.
72,
Yes, sir.
sorry, 72 angstroms. అర్థమైందా? Are you getting how I am trying to do?
Yes, sir.
అంటే సో ఆల్మోస్ట్ మోస్ట్ ప్రాబబ్లీ ఇఫ్ ఆన్సర్స్ ఆర్ ఆల్ ది ఆన్సర్స్ ఆర్ డిస్టింక్ట్. జనరలే మీకుండే ఎంసెట్లో కానీ మెయిన్స్లో కానీ దేంట్లో అయినా సరే మీకుండే ఆన్సర్స్ అన్నీ కూడా డిస్టింక్టే ఉంటాయి. డిస్టింక్ట్స్ అంటే డిఫరెంట్గా ఉంటాయి అనమాట. వెరీ నియర్ బై అనేది ఉండదు ఆన్సర్స్. మన వెరీ నియర్ బై ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 0.721 0.732 అలా ఉంటే మీరు కంప్లీట్ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ చేయాలి. అలా లేకపోతే మాత్రం కంప్లీట్గా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం అయితే లేదు. ఓకే, సో మనం రఫ్ ఎస్టిమేషన్ చేసి వెళ్ళిపోవచ్చు. ఎనర్జీ అవుతుంది చెప్పండి.
minus
హైడ్రోజన్ లైక్
13.6 into z square by n square.
ఎనర్జీ ఈక్వల్ టు -13.6 ఇంటూ జెడ్ స్క్వేర్ బై ఎన్ స్క్వేర్ను
electrovolts.
electron volts. Okay, so -13.6 into z value will be how much? 3 square, that is 9 by 4 n square, no? That means what we can say, -13.6 into 9 by 4. So 4 3 is 3.4. 3.4 into means 9 4 is 36, 36, 27 plus 3 అంటే 30. సో 3.06 సరిపోయింది కదా, -3.06 ఎలక్ట్రాన్ వోల్ట్స్. ఓకేనా స్టూడెంట్స్? దాన్నే వాడు జూల్స్లో అడిగితే ఎలా చేస్తారు? ఇఫ్ ఈజ్ ఆస్కింగ్ ఇన్ జూల్స్, హౌ టు డూ? జూల్స్తో చేస్తే ఏం చేస్తాను? 1 ఎలక్ట్రాన్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1.602 into 10 to the power of -19 joules, no? One electron volt equal to 1.602 into 10 to the power of -19 joules, right? సో దీన్ని 1.6 మల్టిప్లై చేసేది 10 power of -19. ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చేసరికి స్పినోలి మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ మూమెంట్ ఫార్మ్ అవుతుందమ్మా. క్వశ్చన్ ఇచ్చడానికి స్పినోలి మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ మూమెంట్ ఫార్ములా. స్పినోలి మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ మూమెంట్ ఫార్ములా. మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ మూమెంట్ ఫార్ములా ఏమవుతుంది చెప్పండి జనరల్గా?
2L plus 1.
అది ఆర్బిటల్ యాంగులర్ మూమెంటం. L into L plus 1 into h/2 పైన అది. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ స్పినోలి మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ మూమెంట్ అంటే N into N plus 2 బోర్ మ్యాగ్నెటిక్స్ అనమాట. ఓకేనా? వేర్ N అది ఏమవుతుంది? N ఈజ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ అన్పేర్డ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్. ఓకేనా స్టూడెంట్స్? డన్.
Yes, sir.
నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ చూడండి. ది ఎనర్జీ ఆఫ్ an electron of an orbit of hydrogen like ion with an orbit radius of 52.9 picometers in joules. ఇది ఎలా చేస్తారు చెప్పండి ఒకసారి చూద్దాం. Tell me, students, how to do this? స్టూడెంట్స్ ఎలా చేస్తే చెప్పండి అన్న, అట్లీస్ట్ మెథడ్ ఆఫ్ అప్రోచ్ చెప్పండి. చేయనా? షుడ్ ఐ సాల్వ్? స్టూడెంట్స్ సాల్వ్ చేయనమ్మా? ఉన్నారా, వెళ్ళిపోయారా?
Please solve, sir.
సేమ్. సో రేడియస్ ఫార్ములా అవుతుంది rn ఈక్వల్ టు r0 into n square by z, right? So here z we don't know, let it be like hydrogen atom only. Okay, so rn equal to what we can say 52.9, which is equal to what is r0 value? 0.529 angstrom units, right? 0.529 into 10 to the power of minus 8 centimeters. This we can write as 52.9 into 10 to the power of minus 9 centimeters. That will be, this is picometer, no? Sorry, 10 to the power of minus 10 centimeters. We can write, no? 0.529 can be written as 52.9 picometers. 52.9 into n square. Okay, as hydrogen atom I'm taking as 1. So therefore n square equal to what he is asking? 1, which means n equal to 1. So he is asking the energy of the first cell. So energy equal to what? Minus 13.6 into, okay, z square by n square. From there you can calculate. Understood, student, what I'm trying to say? As z equal to 1 and n equal to 1, no? So energy equal to minus 13.6 electron volts. Understood how I solved? Okay, in next week we will continue with okay, we will continue with new more topic. Okay, okay, bye students, good night.